In this video, I will be showing you how to make ChatGPT remember previous conversations. Let's get started. I start on the Google search page and type ChatGPT into the address bar. I select ChatGPT from the search results to open the main interface. Once inside, I navigate to the left-hand sidebar menu to look through my recent conversations. I click on the chat titled VA Professional Profile Assistance to open it. Now that the chat is active, I scroll through the previous message history to review the details I shared earlier. I want to see exactly what information ChatGPT has access to in this session. After checking the history, I click on the input field at the bottom of the screen. I type the question, "What do you remember about me?" and then click the send icon to submit the prompt. I wait for the system to process my request. ChatGPT generates a detailed response outlining everything it knows about me from this conversation, including my preferred name, age, profession, and specific tasks. I read through the generated list to verify that all the details are accurate. Next, I click back into the text box to ask another clarifying question. I type, "What is my job and what tasks do I usually do?" and hit send. The application quickly responds, confirming my role as a virtual assistant and listing my core responsibilities such as email management, scheduling, and data entry. I scroll down further to review the rest of the generated breakdown, which covers my tools, current goals, and communication preferences. Finally, I click the text input field one more time to test its ability to synthesize this data. I type, "Summarize my profile based on what you remember about me," and click the send button. The screen updates as ChatGPT builds a structured summary of my profile, organizing the information into distinct sections like basic profile, professional background, and tools and skills. I scroll down to review the completed summary, confirming that ChatGPT has successfully remembered and compiled my information. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.